Well, I'm fixing to go out and check my Browning game camera. I got one of them little Moultrie all-in-one hanging feeders in the tree out at my place that you see me out at all the time. So hey, let's go out there and check it and see if we got any wildlife. What's so nice about this feeder is I can actually drive right to it. You know, some of them you got to walk in, but this one here is real handy. If you hadn't got one of them Moultrie little hanging feeders, cheap as they are, they'll hold not quite a whole bag of corn, but if you just want to put something out for pictures, it's definitely a good little feeder. Man, the pasture is still beautiful. It's covered in these yellow flowers. I'm not really sure what kind of flowers they are. There may be weeds, but they sure are pretty. Let me quickly show you what the pasture looks like from the air from my drone. In case you wonder, it's a Mavic Air 2. I know people always ask what kind of drone do you have, and that's what kind I have. It's done a really good job for me. I hadn't had it a long time, but it's done a very good job. Back over to the left is my pond. You see me fishing in it quite a bit. Let me quickly show you what it looks like from the air. I've got an opening down in here. As you can see, there's woods all around it. I've got the camera right there on a tree right in front of it, and the feeder's hanging there in the tree. I'll show it to you. We're nearly there. Well, right here's my feeder. Looks like there's still a little corn in it. There's my camera right there on the tree. Let's look and see if we got any footage. Looks like we got a few. Let's put it in the laptop right quick and we'll take a look at them. Well, guys, I sure hope you enjoyed today's adventure. I feel very blessed that I have a place that I can get out in the country and, I can fish and hunt and film the wildlife. Sometimes I see them, sometimes I don't. But hey, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hey, check out my other game camera videos, and hey, please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll catch you later.